Communism, Founders and Relationship to the 19th Century. Karl Marx is generally remembered as the founder or father of communism and is remembered for writing the Communist Manifesto, which he is taken most credit for. He wanted to do away with classes and wanted to make sure that the government would own everything so that people would be equal. And he also tightened communist ideas before him. They were just kind of ideas, but he kind of brought them together and built this set of rules. So Frederick Engels was a co-founder of communism who co-wrote the Communist Manifesto. He wrote most of it, but Marx wrote some that was a more important bit, so he's kind of accredited with writing it. He wrote a couple other propaganda works too, and inspired Russian communism. Okay, so communism kind of emerged in the 19th century, and it took off mainly in Russia, and it was successful due to the overwhelming power that the upper class and bourgeoisie had. So, a lot of lower class people got on board, feeling that they'd be more equal and have more power, and it'd be a better society if it worked. Communist ideas were also able to spread easily through the period of the Industrial Revolution because most of the people that communism appealed to were of lower class and they worked in factory positions, so it would make sense that they would want to get on board with this and possibly gain more power. Stalin and Lenin are both two names that are brought up very often when discussing communism. However, they had some pretty different ideas. Stalin's ideas really should not be considered communism because that's more of a dictatorship because once he took power, whatever he wanted, he got. On the other hand, what Vladimir Lenin believed in is very much communism. It's basically Marxism, which is communism how Karl Marx thought it should be.